I had some people next to me, and I gave them the samurai sword because I had to go take a shit. Guess, huh? Hey, the people in my dreams. All I remember is I was fucking playing with the sword, and then I fucking had to shit, so I fucking gave him the sword so I could run to the bathroom. And guess what? No, I woke up and I really had to fucking shit. My stomach was hurting. And holy shit, I was sitting on the toilet. It's one of those where it's there, but it's not there until it fucking comes. And fucking, bleh, fucking. You said the yogurt fucking cleaned me out. Oh, so Leslie went to Colorado. She said she's got a house out there, and she's checking her property. She has another property. She's gonna check for squatters. And what's crazy is I just watched a video about this. They had to pass a law because I guess these squatters are fucking getting residents to your fucking house when you're not there. Okay. I love you. Bye, buddy. Okay, I love you. Bye, buddy. Okay, I love you. Bye, buddy. Oh man, I see this kid every day. I think he's playing Pokemon. I see him every day. And I wave to those people too every day when they're on their porch.